Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium nitrate fertilizer. First, understand that calcium nitrate is a fantastic source of two vital nutrients, calcium and nitrogen. It's especially helpful for preventing issues like blossom end rot in many fruiting plants. This easy method ensures your plants get what they need for robust growth and better yields. We'll cover simple steps to integrate it into your gardening routine effectively. There are two primary ways to apply calcium nitrate, as a soil drench or a foliar spray. For a soil drench, mix 1 tablespoon per gallon of water and apply it directly to the soil around your plants. If you prefer foliar feeding, use 1/2 tablespoon per gallon and spray the leaves thoroughly. Both methods deliver nutrients efficiently, but foliar feeding offers quicker absorption for immediate needs. Determining the right dosage and frequency is key. Generally, apply calcium nitrate every 2 to 4 weeks during your plant's active growth phase. If you notice signs of calcium deficiency, you might increase the frequency slightly. For younger plants, a slightly weaker solution is often best. Remember to always water your plants well before applying any fertilizer to prevent root burn and ensure even distribution. Finally, a few important considerations for safe and effective use. First, check your soil pH. Calcium nitrate is most effective in slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Store your fertilizer in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality. Crucially, avoid mixing calcium nitrate with fertilizers containing phosphates or sulfates, as this can cause nutrient lockout. Always wear appropriate protective gear when handling any chemicals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.